Taylor celebrating a big third birthday with what a beautiful dress that is. That color just pops, Miss Rowan. A very happy third birthday to you in Pittsburgh.
We have Cade Peak, turning 10 years old this year.
You know what Cade's thinking in his head?
Ready to go swimming.
Somewhere on the beach.
Yeah.
Love that. Good picture there, Cade.
Looks like fun.
Kaelin Charles celebrating her 17th birthday. Kaelin, a very happy birthday to you and have a great day in Baxter Springs.
All right. And Madeline Reed celebrating birthday number 22 this year. She was recently accepted in the pharmacy school at KU for the fall of 2022.
Congratulations,
to
Madeline.
her. She's from Columbus.
Too cool. Betty Evans, a very happy birthday to Miss Betty as she celebrates in Webb City.
All right. And Joe and Tiffany Long are celebrating their first anniversary. They actually got married a year ago yesterday. Cool. Gonna celebrate all week long.
Now, this is reserved for like extended KOM family members, and pretty much these are extended KOM family members. Are you ready, Tanya? Who that is? There they are. Our good friends Larry and Natalie Douglas. Like Natalie taking care of Larry and taking care of the dog. That's apropos. That fits it about right. And that's Gloria. That is Gloria, their marvelous dog right there. And as much as we love our friends from the north, we do definitely love Larry and Natalie. And they are celebrating their 21st anniversary. Congratulations to the Douglases.
All right, and we've got Ron Reynolds from Columbus celebrating a birthday. Emily, I'm not sure how to pronounce her last name actually. I hope I'm not butchering that. Billy.
Blyle.
Emily is turning 8 years old. She claims Miami and Fairland as her hometown. And Elizabeth Wydick in Girard.
Happy birthday, Elizabeth. Ron Reynolds also, too, played for the Pittsburgh Pirates in the 80s and was from Wichita. The reason that I'm going to say this is a different one is that the other Ron Reynolds had two N's. Man, went to the University of Arkansas as well. Okay, happy birthday and happy